Hi, I'm Donna Dewberry. We're painting one-stroke painting today. And I'm going to pick up, I'm still going to use this 3/4, believe it or not. And I'm going to the edge here. And right here is going to be my center. Okay. And if I'm not on a white surface, I use chalk a lot too. Just white, regular chalk to draw in where I want to have certain flowers and stuff. It helps me. Now I'm going to have the dark in the background. So this is just the blue. You notice I didn't clean my brush. I like you to stay out of the water. So there is some white way up underneath there. And we're going to take it right off the edge. So I don't want to mess my table up. I'm going to lift it up and get one on the edge here. These don't have to be perfect because I'm going to put petals on top. These are the underneath and they're darker because they're in the back. Now see that little bit of white coming through? That happens because there is white underneath the blue. Ooh, there it goes. Look how pretty. So if I wasn't going to put anything on top, you would get some color in here. Alright? So now I'm going to flip the brush. So I might have too much blue, so I can wipe on the paper towel. I'm going to pick up white now. I can dip my blue, come over here to my white. This is the loading that I'm doing, okay? And it's like half and half, double loaded on this. Double loading doesn't always mean it's half and half, remember that. Okay? Now, while it's wet, wet on wet, we're going to come right in here in between and push down, and look how I stand up when I get to the end. Alright, so it's very important as you come in here that you push down. See how hard? I stand up straight, lean in the direction I want to go, pull, and then stand up to the chisel. And if you pick up the wrong color, I did that on purpose so I could show you. We're going to wipe it, okay? And we go right back in here, no water. So we're going to come in here. Okay, and then we're going to make a real pretty center. Alright, so I'm going to take my smaller scruffy. I'm going to do the same thing we did there. I'm going to put dark. Dark with it. This is dry brush when you load it. It's all dry. Straight in the blue. Always, when I'm using the scruffy, I pounce from the edge, outside edge. Don't go in the middle. That's what a lot of people tend to do. And they make a mess, actually, when we go to put it on. Okay, I don't have to do the whole part because then it'll make the white not as good. Now I'm going to pinch this scruffy to get most of the paint out. And then I'm going to pounce it around because I really don't want to wet it. And then I'm going to come in here and grab some white. See, I'm at the edge of the puddle. Alright, and then I'm going to come right here and pounce a little on here. Wasn't that fun?